is your First Alert 5 weather with Sam Schreier.
It is going to be a pretty nice afternoon until the rain tries to push back in. So get out and enjoy lunch. It's 75 degrees right now, and then looks like in the Springs, timing is between about 1 o'clock to 2 for the rain to start showing up. Southeast winds, that's that upslope flow, helping to feed some moisture in. We're not overly humid, but dew points are in the 50s, which is definitely some moist air for southern Colorado at least. And then we get to Pueblo, 80 degrees, good sunshine, just building that instability through the day to get storms going later. Now, Kansas and eastern Colorado are going to have a big day, or rather evening. A cold front is going to slide down, a very primed environment for severe weather. So incredibly large hail, very strong winds, even tornadoes are most likely into the moderate risk that was just updated through far northeast Colorado into Kansas. But where that enhanced risk is, we can still see some very big storms hugging right towards eastern Colorado into the border. And our modeling is going to show that. Now, at the moment, I'm tracking rain. There's a little bit of it heading up towards Colorado Springs, but a lot of this is still back a ways into the mountains. Scattered storms moving in towards the Tri-Lakes area, but looks like it's going to dip in just to northern Teller County as well. And Woodland Park, our modeling was showing the storms coming to your area by noon, but clearly this is a little bit more north than our modeling was thinking earlier today. So in our hour by hour, well, it's doing okay, but it's kind of missing that rain that'll be over there by Monument pretty soon. What it does over the next hour is generate storms, generally around and through Teller County, but we know there's going to be a little bit more to the north that'll cross into northeast El Paso County. So by 1 o'clock to 2, we're expecting some scattered storms by Monument through Colorado Springs. And at this point, they're either still in Teller County at 2, but most likely to the east. We'll also have some good storms spilling over towards the Continental Divide, the San Juans, and by 2:30 we should be getting some storms around Walsenburg and Trinidad. Now this whole area will generally move east and southeast. So rain starts over the mountains, pushes to I-25, and then goes east again. By about 3 o'clock, Pueblo should have gotten some rain, but by 5, we've pushed that rain south into southeast Pueblo County, and we've cleared some good storms to the east of El Paso. A second round of rain is possible generally in the area. Looks like anywhere in the Colorado Springs between about 5 to 7 o'clock. That'll slide south. There's Pueblo getting a little rain at 8. But if you watch 8 o'clock tonight, there's those huge thunderstorms cruising through eastern Colorado with Kansas really blowing up tonight. So a lot of your evening should be dry, even if you live in the plains. After about 10 o'clock, really the whole area is good. Now tomorrow there's a severe weather chance, gave it a 2 on the storm impact scale, but I just feel like Sunday has a better chance of severe weather. So if we have severe storms on Saturday, but we have a better chance on Sunday, went 3 on the storm impact scale. Large hail, strong winds, even going to watch the area for some spinning funnel clouds. Now that chance is very low, but the parameters are right for big storms, and we dry out with mid-80s next week. Now Pueblo, the I-25 corridor shares Colorado Springs 3 impact scale, thinking very large storms are possible and pretty big storms on Saturday with 90s and drier air going towards the middle of next week. Canyon City, have you at a 2 on the storm impact scale like Saturday because severe storms are possible. It's just the I-25 corridor Sunday looks like worse for storms, 90s and dry through the middle of the week. Finally, we get to Woodland Park, getting out towards those 70s for a couple days, 68 as we go towards Monday, and rain chances stick around all next week.